Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Toyota FJ Cruiser. First, prioritize your safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, followed by the positive. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you work. Make sure your FJ Cruiser is turned off and securely parked. Gather your tools, including a 10mm and 14mm socket, a ratchet, and a breaker bar. Safety glasses and gloves are highly recommended for this task. Now let's get that old alternator out. Begin by removing the battery and its tray to create more workspace. Next, find the serpentine belt tensioner, usually below the alternator. Use a 14mm socket and a breaker bar to rotate the tensioner counterclockwise, releasing the belt's tension. Carefully slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Disconnect the main power wire, often secured by a 10mm nut, and then unclip the electrical harness. Finally, remove the two main mounting bolts, typically 14mm, and any smaller 10mm bracket bolts. Then carefully extract the old alternator. With the old unit out, it's time for the new one. Carefully slide your new alternator into position, aligning it with the mounting holes. Insert the two main mounting bolts and hand tighten them to hold the alternator in place. Reconnect the main power wire, securing its 10mm nut, and then firmly attach the electrical harness clip. Now, refer to your serpentine belt diagram and meticulously route the belt around all the pulleys. Double-check that the belt is perfectly seated in every groove before proceeding. Almost done. Use your 14mm socket and breaker bar to retension the serpentine belt, then carefully release the tensioner. Now, fully tighten all alternator mounting bolts to their proper specifications. Reinstall the battery tray and battery, connecting the positive terminal first, then the negative. Start your FJ Cruiser and observe the dashboard for any battery or charging system warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm your new alternator is producing approximately 14 volts, ensuring your system is charging correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.